In the heart of every anime lies a story to be told, an emotion longing to be felt. From the silent battles to the epic journeys, we find pieces of ourselves in these tales. Today, the spotlight shifts to you, our cherished viewers, who passion fuels every frame. Your questions have sparked conversations, your feedback has driven our evolution. Join me as I delve into your thoughts, your curiosities, and the connections that bind us through our shared love of anime. This Q&A is not just a session, it's a heartfelt exchange. Celebration of our journey together. Let's explore the stories behind the scenes, uncover the emotions that inspire our creations. Let's see. Your real name? In which class you are studying? My name is Surabhedar and I am studying in
Class 5th lesson first संख्या
Wait a minute. You're alive?
कुछ ज़्यादा ही सच बोल रहा था.
Where is my introduction?
Oh, I forget. His name is Zenit, also known as Zem, born in 1975. That's all I know about him. हाँ, बस इतना ही. इसको मैं कब
Forget him. Let's move forward.
Are you Indian? Yes, I am Indian. Bro, you have Instagram? Yes, I have. Here is the QR code and the username. Why did you start YouTube? I started my YouTube channel not just to show my talent, but to tell stories through visuals. Cinematography has always been my passion, and I wanted to create a space where I could blend that passion with storytelling. For me, it's about crafting something that resonates on a deeper level. Using my hands, bring ideas to life that truly touch people's hearts. Personal journey where I explored and learned on my own, driven by my love for visuals and films. Best idea you have ever came up with but couldn't complete it due to some reasons. The best idea I have ever come up with was an epic MV based on Naruto series. I envisioned creating a masterpiece that blends powerful cinematography, a compelling storyline, and my own original music. I had this grand vision for bringing together all these elements to create something truly special. However, I decided to hold off on completing it for now. I wanted to gain more creativity and experience to ensure that it turns out as remarkable as I imagined. Sometimes stepping back and refining your skills can make all the difference in bringing a project to life. भाई इतना अच्छा एडिट कहाँ से सीखा? मतलब wow, where I learned editing. So I started my editing journey at the age of 11. I taught myself editing through YouTube. It was a personal journey where I explored and learned on my own. Bro, do you edit on phone or PC? Which app do you use? I primarily use Adobe After Effects, Premiere Pro, and Adobe Photoshop for editing. After Effects is great for detailed motion graphics and visual effects and 3D scenes, while Premiere Pro handles video editing and overall project organization, and Adobe Photoshop for thumbnail and design raw scenes. I have question, can you upload CapCut tutorial video? Unfortunately, I don't use CapCut and don't have expertise with it. My expertise is in Adobe After Effects and Premiere Pro, so I am not able to provide you CapCut tutorial. But listen, not everything comes with a tutorial. Something you have to teach yourself. There is a world of difference between searching for a tool to master and seeking a guide to true creativity. Mastering the art of editing is a whole different game. So, see beyond the surface and grasp the depth. Bro, मुझे भी ऐसी editing करनी सीखनी है. Could you teach me, please? So, you want to also learn same kind of editing that I do. I am not trying to teach. My goal is to inspire and most of all to entertain. I believe that through storytelling and creativity, I can spark something within you that pushes you to explore your own potential. It's not just about following a step. It's about finding your unique voice and style. If my work motivates you to dive deeper into your own passion, then I have accomplished what I set out to do. But I can show you way. When you will delete your YouTube channel just for fun? There is too much creativity and experience left to explore. But if I ever do, it probably be when I run out of ideas, which is not happening. Bro, channel monetized हुआ? So you are curious if my channel got monetized or not? I think some things should be kept a secret. But if you are curious, you can send a super chat and you will find out on your own. Sir, my rotobrush models fails. Whenever I try to rotobrush any clip on my laptop AE 2021, but my laptop has high specs and there is no solution on that, and my rotobrush works fine on PC AE 2021. Even with high specs, your laptop might be facing issues. Ensure your GPU drivers are up to date. Performance setting. Adjust hardware acceleration. Under preferences, you will see an option display. Check the After Effects has enough RAM allocated. Close unnecessary apps to free up resources. Make sure your After Effects is fully updated or try downgrading to a stable version. Compare your laptop and PC settings to spot any differences that might be causing the issue. Anime name. Wait a minute. Are you joking, man? Oh, I remember now. Anime name is Attack on Naruto Slayer. Search on Google, you'll get it. One day your channel will reach big. Don't forget me, I will come that time. Brother, I will never forget you, whether I succeed or not. I will never leave your side. There is something I want to tell you. See this purple icon? YouTube mark you as one of the people who receive the most hearts. So now you can see you are the top commenter on channel. The GOAT editor when it comes to emotions. Thank you very much. I truly appreciate the words you shared for me. Why don't you upload shorts? It will give you more views and attract audience. Thank you so much, brother, for your advice. And I'll try my best to upload more shorts. Hey, that's fire, bro. Can I use your video? Thank you so much for the compliment. I truly appreciate it, and I am really sorry I can't allow anyone to use my videos for their own purposes. I hope you understand. Bro sacrificed his life for this edit. This is my first AMV of my life, and I love it. This Naruto edit took all 28 days to edit, and I think that's why many people called this AMV a Naruto official trailer. This is fire, bro. You are talented. Thank you for using my song. Thanks, man, for your compliment. I appreciate you.
Wow. Now even the big creators have started commenting.
Well, that's all for today. If you have got more questions, we will save them for the next Q&A. We will meet once or twice a year. Let's catch up again.